Hey there! Today we're going to go over the Sun Salutation and show you some nice modifications if you're new to Surya Namaskar, and also just making sure that our form and technique is on spot so that we can really open up to the intention and the beauty of this sequence. Okay, so this will be an energizing, really giving thanks to the sun and to life and to the light within ourselves as well. And it's just a beautiful way to begin your day, or it's a nice warm-up as well to do in your practice. If you don't have a lot of time, this is a great sequence to do to just get yourself going in the morning, or really any time of day, although late at night, if you are kind of moving through this quickly, it can be a little too energizing for the end of the day and kind of wake us up. Okay, let's get going. Okay, so you're going to start forward on your mat, okay? And we're going to basically begin with our feet sits bone width apart. Our hands are going to be by our side, and you're just going to start really rooting down, feeling the center of your feet just grounding into the mat, feeling the spine lengthening up tall. And one of the things that can really happen in this practice is that we can kind of arch our back even when we're standing up. And so we're going to take a moment here, breathe and let those abdominals expand, and then exhale, draw those abdominals together. Good. And feel the ribs and the pelvis communicating, okay? So we don't want to allow our ribs to kind of shift out of alignment through this sequence, okay? So we're going to start, we're going to inhale, float those arms up, and we can even gaze up as well, breathing in. And then exhale, you're going to dive forward and let those arms come open, bending your knees and lowering down. Hands can go to the thighs, they can go to your shins, or they can go to the floor. Bending over into a nice forward fold. Inhale, lengthen up. So we're going to place our hands on our legs and arch our back here. So it's like we're just going into a little bit of cat-cow. Good. And then you're going to fold over again. Placing your hands down on the ground, you're going to step back with your right foot into a lunge. Okay. Breathing here. Then you're going to step back with the other foot into plank. Okay. Now, gently lower those knees down, keeping the abdominals connected here. Keep pressing the ground away from you. Fingertips are connecting into the earth. And we're going to slowly lower ourselves down by bending our elbows, keeping the elbows hugging in. And you're going to let your chin and your chest come down. And then you're going to flatten out. Beautiful. Then from here, inhale up. Exhale, lower down. Press into the arms and come back to tabletop. Curl your toes under and lift up into a downward dog. Good. Now you're going to lift your right leg up. Beautiful. And step the right leg forward. Nice. You could have the back knee down if you like. Either way, but you are going to step forward with it quickly and bring it back into your forward fold. Knees are bent, back is round. Exhale here. Inhale, lift halfway up. Exhale, round back over. And then flat back, lifting up. Hands come out to your side. Beautiful. Okay, so we're going to do that one more time. Hands come back to our heart. Good. Breathe in, arms float up. Exhale, diving forward, arms wide, bend the knees, folding over. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, hands plant into the earth. And this time we're going to step back with our left leg. So the other leg goes back to lunge. Already root your hands. Push your hands into the earth and then take the other leg back to plank. Good. Now you can hold here as long as you like. Breathe in. Exhale, lower the knees. Good. Then bend the elbows, lower knees, chest and chin. Inhale. Upper back lifts up. Good. We could lift our hands here if we like. We're really isolating the upper back movement. Abdominals are still connecting through the front of the torso. Lower down. Now press into the arms and shift back to tabletop. Curl the toes under and pike yourself up to your downward dog. Now keep those knees bent here. We want a nice flat back. We don't want to be rounding under. So you can have your legs, lengthening into a stretch as long as you can keep the position of the back. Beautiful. Now this time our left leg floats up. Good. And then we're going to step it through. You can use help there if you need to. That's totally fine. And then you're going to bring the other foot forward, folding over. Inhale, lifting up. Exhale, lower down. And then reaching up. And bring the hands back to center. And you're done. Beautiful. So you can practice as many of those as you like. Keep alternating the leg that's going into lunges. And then if you keep practicing, then you'll be able to progress up to the more advanced variation. Okay, hope you are having a beautiful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.